Hey, social media family, welcome back to another podcast episode. We're going to have a raw and uncut conversation on how you can handle people that hate. And I'm just going to give us a moment to think about that question. So it's going to be silent real quick. How do I handle people that are haters? How do I eat around them? How do I drink around them? How do I think around them? How should I behave around a hater? How should I dress around a hater? What should I eat in front of a hater? How much money should I make around a hater? How do I handle haters? You don't. You don't handle haters. There's nothing you can do about that. There's nothing you can handle about that. The word handle means like, how can I move around stuff? Like, how can I handle this situation? How can I get the. A hater is not a problem that you handle unless you're in a life threatening situation and it's either me against them. They even tell you on the plane, I haven't even been on the plane, but they tell you on the plane you're supposed to put the face mask on you before you put it on a kid or anybody else. That's the same situation with a hater. So if you're in a situation like that, whereas you were the hater, you them. If it's not a situation like that, where you can de-escalate, the way that you handle a hater is you remove yourself. You don't change your identity. You don't change the amount of money you make. And then you don't go and make more money to stunt on the haters neither. People, be wise. The number one question I be asking myself with some stuff is, how long is you trying to live? How long you want to enjoy certain things? You're not about to off every app. It be one person against a million people trying to go up and fight them though. Like not a million, like one person up against a million people when they trying to, figure it out. Y'all be trying to fight a million people. It's only one. You only one person. You're not going to win that battle, so you remove yourself. I'm always going to tell people to remove yourself. The moment you find out somebody is hating, you don't want you don't want the resolution. You don't want to know how deep the hate is for you. So you just want to remove yourself. Why should you change how much money you make because they ain't making no money? Why should you start eating unclean because they eating unclean and you see that them eating unclean is making them sick? Why should you stop being confident because they ain't comfortable in their body? Why should you not take care of your hygiene because they dirty? You don't change yourself for a hater. When people say, I want you to be cautious with this, when people be like, man, I'm finna go stunt on the haters, I'm finna show them up. Why would you go stunt on the haters and show them so they already hating on you already? Why would you go stunt on a hater and then go around these people in their faces? That's just like going to go buy a chain. You feel me? A YN, like, I'm finna go buy a chain, I'm finna go stunt on these niggas. They already don't like you. They gonna try to take your chain. You don't. You got to pick your battles. The battle I pick with haters, I don't pick none. It hurts more when I'm no longer in your presence. That in my life has been scientifically proven with my data 1,000%. I'm always gonna remove myself. I don't care if we could be at Roof Chris. We can be at the most luxury. We can be at the most biggest meeting in the world. A hater, I'm leaving every time. You can call it what you want. Man, she just weak, you feel me? She'll be scared if something popped off. You could say, okay, all right. I don't play with haters. I don't. I won't. I never have. That's a hating dude. That's a hating friend. That's a hating friend. I'm good because I read too much of my Bible to know what that can look like if you want to keep surrounding yourself around them, especially if you already know they're a hater. Not knowing somebody a hater is one thing, knowing somebody is a hater is another thing. When the girls be going on the girl trips, they don't be knowing they're around haters. But knowing you around a hater, that's another thing. No, I'm cool on a girl trip. Social media family, you don't do nothing with a hater. You remove yourself to protect your life.